One of the first major snowstorms in the record books was back in March 1888. The heavy snowfall left major cities with up to 50 inches of snow. In New York City, horse-drawn carts hauled excess snow from the streets into the East River. One of the deadliest snowstorms in Washington, D.C.'s history struck in 1922. The Knickerbocker Storm killed 98 people. It got its name after the roof of the Knickerbocker Theater collapsed. The blizzard of 1996 was one of the most devastating snowstorms to hit the East Coast. Some cities received between 2 to 3 feet of snow, causing an estimated $4.5 billion in property damages. Model Christy Brinkley was even spotted cross-country skiing in Central Park.
14 to 22 inches of snow!
The snowpocalypse of 2010 swept across the East Coast in February. 3 blizzards hit within a span of 20 days, hitting cities from Washington, D.C. to Boston. New Yorkers had to dig themselves out of mountains of snow after the post-Christmas storm of 2010 dumped 20 inches of snow. The post-holiday storm grounded more than 7,000 flights and caused a nightmare for commuters. The residents of Buffalo, New York, found their city blanketed in over 6 feet of snow in November 2014, leaving over 100 people stranded in their homes.
Oh my God, there's a car! How the hell is he driving?
In February 2015, Boston had its snowiest month on record. There was so much snow, city residents started jumping into giant piles of the white stuff. There was also the rare occurrence of thunder snow, which caused one weatherman to lose his cool.
Oh, yes! 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 We got it, baby! We got it! We got it! Woo! You can have your $500 million jackpot in Powerball or whatever the heck it was, but I'll take this, baby!